Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing with you a recipe of chicken samosa. So let's see what ingredients we need. We need half kg of boiled finely chopped chicken, 1 bowl of shredded carrot, 1 bowl of finely chopped onion, half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder and half teaspoon of spice powder. Finely chopped green bell pepper, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of red chili powder and half teaspoon of salt. And samosa sheets. Now take a frying pan and add oil, and then we will add onion. Cook onion for about 2 minutes. Add chicken and mix well. Cook chicken for about 5 minutes. Now add all spices and salt you can add as per your taste. Now mix well. Add green bell pepper and carrot. Mix them well and then we will off the flame. Now in a bowl add 2 tablespoons of flour and little water and make it in a paste. Take one samosa sheet and fold it like a cone and then add 1 tablespoon of the filling and then start folding it. Add little paste on the side to stick the samosa sheet. You can freeze them for about 15 days. Fry samosas until they turn into golden brown color. As you can see, chicken samosas are ready. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.